Thank you, Lascian Coillte, and I won't speak for too long on this. I want to welcome the bill in particular. The addition of a mechanism to allow for and encourage small-scale forestry planting on farms and other land. This is the type of practical intervention needed to help increase local afforestation with native broadleaf species. The right type of planting has multiple benefits, from improving carbon sequestration to improving biodiversity and air quality. We need more measures like this to help farmers and landowners to increase our levels of native broadleaf trees. The first amendment, in the names of Deputies Brown, Coillte and McLaughlin, provides for the annual reporting on the afforestation rates in the legislation. It's important to understand, I suppose, the impact of the bill to see how it's going to ensure that the intent actually results in increased levels of tree planting on a local scale. Agriculture organisations have highlighted the need for more incentives to assist farmers in planting trees, while the McKinnon review mentions delays, uncertainties and perceptions of excessive bureaucracy as disincentives for farmers. It can't just be a matter of allowing small-scale planting and providing grants and then saying the department's job is done. There needs to be accountability and transparency around the effectiveness of these measures. In terms of afforestation, Minister, like I said, this is really welcome, a mechanism to allow for and encourage small-scale forestry. That is really welcome. We need more afforestation, particularly in relation to our COP26 commitments, but there has to be more than just this type of legislation. You know, it can't be just piecemeal. And even just earlier this week on Monday, I was meeting with a group who are trying to prevent the sale of Coillte-owned forestry. And I think, you know, when we're passing this kind of legislation, everyone's in favour of it, that we're trying to work on afforestation, that is confusing and ridiculous, that we're not keeping that kind of land with, you know, old and native species in state ownership instead of being sold to a private owner. I think we're going backwards whilst we're going forwards, and we have to take an overall approach. Finally, I welcome the bill's other purpose in phasing out fur farming and prohibiting the raising of animals to use their skin for fur. This is a practice most people strongly oppose, and the bill allows for those affected to be compensated in moving to other methods of farming. I suppose that is a just transition, Minister, and that's very welcome, and I hope we see more of that from your department.